My name is Jenny. I work for Optum, and I help patients and providers set up VSee for video visits. Today, I'm going to walk you through downloading and setting up VSee Clinic on your mobile device. This is to prepare you for your video visit with your clinic. A video visit, sometimes referred to as telehealth, is an online video appointment with your provider. You can see your provider through your own device without coming into the clinic. VSee is the secure video technology that your clinic uses so you can have a video visit with your healthcare provider. To get started, we recommend you join the visit 10 minutes in advance. So, prior to your scheduled visit, download the app. That's the first thing that a patient needs to do. The app can be downloaded by going to the App Store on your mobile device and searching for VSee Clinic. The first step is to download and install the VSee Clinic app, which is free. Be sure to download VSee Clinic, not other VSee apps such as VSee Messenger or VSee Waiting Room. The first time you download the app, you will be asked to enable notifications. Click Allow.
There are two ways to join a visit with VSee. If you were sent an email invitation from VSee with a link to the VSee appointment, you can click in that email to proceed. If you were given a room code by your clinic, basically a password for the provider you are seeing, click I have my provider's room code to proceed.
Then you'll be asked to use a room code that you should have been given by your clinic. I'm going to use, in this example, a test room code, or basically a password, called Optum Test. Again, that room code should have been given to you by your clinic. Then you'll be taken to answer some intake questions. Enter your first name, your last name, date of birth, phone number, reasons for your visit, whether this is your first visit with us, review our consent form to participate in this telemedicine consultation, and then click Enter the Waiting Room. Then you'll be taken to another screen with information for your visit. You can review this information and then click Enter the Waiting Room. Then, the first time you download the app, you'll be asked to allow access for your microphone and camera. Click OK for both prompts. If you click Don't Allow, the video visit will not work. If you accidentally press Don't Allow, you should go into your device's settings to then allow access for your microphone and camera. Last, the video call will launch. Your provider will join the visit shortly. If you have questions about setup of VSee or run into trouble with VSee, you can call our Optum patient support line at 844-852-9225 for a representative to assist you. If you have questions about your visit or other questions specific to your care plan, please contact your clinic.